Hello, welcome back to Samis Network. In this video, I'm going to explain how a contactor and a circuit breaker works, the difference and the similarity between the circuit breaker and the contactor. So this is the circuit breaker. This is the 444 MCB, which is 3-phase MCB. Though this works different with the single phase, which most of the people are familiar with. This is an industrial three-phase 444 MCB, but the work that it does is the same as those single phase MCB. Then this is a contactor. This is a D12 contactor, chint contactor. So a contactor, simply the function of a contactor is to switch on or off, or to make contacts between points of electric current. Then the work of a breaker, it's also to switch on and off electric current, just as the same way as the switch does. But the difference between these two components, we'll see that for this circuit breaker, it needs someone, a man, to switch it on and off. And sometimes when there is an electric fault, a breaker might trip or switch off. But as for the contactor, it doesn't need anyone or man's involvement for it to switch on or off. It only needs electric current for it to keep on running. So what happens here? Is that for a breaker, when I switch it the way it is, it's on, meaning there is electric current from point A to point B. For me to switch it off like this, it means I have opened the circuit, and when I do this, I have closed the circuit, meaning there is power that is coming from here to here. But when I do this, then there is no power which is coming from here to here. So this is what happens with these contactors. The contactors, the way it is, the work that a contactor does is the same work that a breaker does. For the breaker, it needs someone to switch it on and off. But as for the contactor, it doesn't need anyone to switch it on or off. When it is energized, when power comes into this contactor, then these contacts, they normally open, will close. Then the normally closed will open, meaning there will be some contacts from one place to the other. Meaning the work which was supposed to be done by a man to switch it on, it will just be done automatically. That's how a contactor operates. Okay, so what happens is that we put this auxiliary like this, place it on the contactor, then that's how it works. Then we remove it like this, then we put it back like this. So when the contactor is energized, what happens is that these contacts, this is the normally open contact, the inlet and the outlet. This is the normally closed inlet and outlet. This is also the normally closed inlet and outlet. Then this is the normally open inlet and outlet. So when the contactor is energized, the normally open will close, then the normally closed will open. So meaning there will be some contacts on the normally open. The normally open will close, meaning there will be some contacts, and power will start going through from the inlet to the outlet. As it is, the normally open is open, meaning there is no electricity that is passing through this. Then the normally closed, it's closed, meaning there is power from here to here. But when the contactor is energized, this changes. It becomes the opposite. The normally open closes, the normally close opens. So this is what happens as far as the auxiliary and the contactor is concerned. So this auxiliary, it can be used at any contactor. I can either put it here, I can also put it on another contactor like this, and it works the same in any of these 3 contactors. It operates the same. So this is the Schneider auxiliary relay. So this is what happens as far as the contactors are concerned. These are just indicator lamps to indicate the power. This indicates the load running. This indicates green, indicates that there's nothing which is running. Sometimes in some cases this may indicate the grid, national grid. If it's ZESCO, it indicates ZESCO power. Then this indicates the generator power. So we are making the ATS, the changeover switch for the generator. The ATS allows the generator to start operating on its own, like to change over from ZESCO to generator without man's involvement, without anyone to come and switch it on or off. It just works on its own. So that's the work of the ATS, and these contactors will help us to do that work. As I have explained, these contactors, the way they work is there are some contacts. circuit, how I'll make the circuit for the ATS. Just stick around to Samis Network so that you can learn more about this. Thank you for watching.